morning and welcome to Wright CNC. So let's talk about test number one. Test number one in our lengthy test protocols is our square and level measurement test. So you may experience inconsistencies in motor grabbing. There's a lot of various reasons why this test would be necessary, but it's something that we do like to check even before running the table for the first time. So let's talk about checking the square. As we're checking the square, we actually take it based not off of the edge of this piece here, not off the edge of the gantry, but off of the outside edge of the corner leg to the outside edge of the corner leg back on the opposite end of the table. This allows us to get the true square of the table and not get distortions based off of these rails, because depending on the table, these rails may be longer or shorter and won't give you an accurate square. All right, let's talk about the next portion of this. After you've squared from this point here to the far end of this table, you'll also do it on the opposing end here and find your square in that way. Following that, another option to test, and forget this, is actually measuring across from the inside of this rail to the inside of this rail over here, and we test it in the front, in the middle, and then all the way at the back end. This test allows us to see if there's any bowing and if there's anything that we can do to necessarily compensate for that level of bowing. So check those 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, and you'll see if there is any adjustments that need to take place. If so, likely we'll send you out a series of clamps, but I don't want to preemptively say that until we see what the actual issue or problem is. Once we've done this test, we'll move on to the next one. So take those measurements, make sure that your table is square in those corners in that way, and we will go from there.